Welcome to the spelling sort for Unit 4, Week 3. All right. So, remember, this is what we got. You need to make sure you have your scissors so you can cut your words out. Make sure that you have your zip top bag to put your words in so you can sort them again tomorrow night. Your pencil to make sure that you're doing some writing because you need to write these all down, right? Get it? Right. All right. Spelling book, if you write it in on a yellow or a lined piece of paper, you need to rewrite it into your spelling composition book. That's part of the deal. Make sure you have this. And then, of course, you need to have your beautiful spelling words. So, let's get started. We're going to cut these out today, like we always do, and make sure that you're cutting them out. They should be easy to cut out. I usually do this. I usually cut them down one side, or down across the bottom, up the top, across the side, and then down the other side. Now you can have these cut out before you watch the video, or you can cut them out at the same time I do. See if you can get them cut out any faster than Mr. Anderson does. I like to cut them straight up here, and then we look at the very top. Oh, look at a word. Then we're going to go down this way. And we're going to go right to here, and it looks like we're doing homographs. Homographs. Homograph. That is going to be an interesting word. So we're going to have to figure out what homographs mean. Go ahead and cut your words out. Finish cutting these out. And we're going to talk about what a homograph is. Because it's not like a letter. It's not a specific pattern. Well, it is, but it doesn't have anything to do with like the patterns in the actual words. So let me put my oddball there because there are a couple oddballs. So we'll have to find those, right? So let's put our words around the outside, around the outside. Put your words around the outside, around the outside. Kind of like we're playing Duck, Duck, Goose. All right, put them out here. Let's look at our words. Ooh, research. We got, rebel. Nice. Permits. Let's get a couple more in here. Present. Contract. Are you noticing what these words are? I'm hoping that you're seeing that there's different ways that you can actually say these words. And that is going to be what a homograph is. So let's put on the top up here. Let's put Unit 4, Week 3. And we're going to talk homographs. Homograph. Okay? All right. So there we go. Now, don't put anything right here because I've got specific ways I want you to do this. So I hope you're ready for this. Let's get these. Oh, we got to put oddball. Oddball always goes over here. At least in my videos they do. All right, let's put those, get those up. Put these in our zip top bag so that you're ready for them. Beautiful. All right, homograph. What is a homograph? Well, I'm going to show you what a homograph is. Let me find my word that I want to use. We're going to use this one right here. Refuse. So let's write that down. Now this is going to be the tricky part, and I know you're going to love me for this. I know you're going to love me because I got this beautiful thing right here, and I know this is how you feel about Mr. Anderson. People enjoy having you around. Well, thank you. I appreciate that you guys love having me around. So we're going to put up here, we're going to put syllable change. Syllable. Is that right? Yep. Change. Okay? And then we're going to underline it because this is the trick now. Okay? Because we're going to talk about refuse. R-E-F-U-S-E. Now this is where it gets tricky because there's actually two meanings to this word. And the way you say the word is what you mean. All right, that's what I'm trying to tell you. So we're going to look at refuse, right? Okay, and we've got a syllable change here, but we're also going to do another thing. Well, I'll just tell you. We got our syllable change because we've got refuse, and we got another one that's called refuse. Okay? Refuse means to that's where our syllable is on so we go refuse. That's where our syllable is. We got a syllable change. Refuse. So we stress the first syllable. Refuse. That means to not want to do something. Refuse. Now, refuse is refuse. So it's a syllable change. Refuse is garbage. That's refuse. Okay, so look it up. Check it out. R-E-F-U-S-E. Refuse. 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 All right? And we stress the first syllable on that one also. Refuse, refuse. Okay? So this is how I want you to write this. I want you to check out to see if it's got a syllable change. I want you to find out. You may have to look up some of these words, and I know it's going to be a little pain in your denominator, but I think you'll be okay. All right? Remember, 20 minutes though. All right, so there's refuse and refuse. Now, let's get to the other two words that I am looking at. And then I'm going to make you do all the rest of these. All right, here we go. Now, this one comes the tricky one. Content and content. So let's put the other one down here. We got, and I want you to underline where the word is, or the stress is on which syllable. When I say stress, that's the one that you say the loudest or the highest, like refuse, refuse. Can you hear how re is higher, use is lower, or there's more stress on the first one and less on the second one? Okay, so let's look at this one. Content, put a C-O-N, that is an O, okay? And then we're going to write it over here too, content. So, content, content. The syllable goes in the same place, but I want you to listen to it. Content, content. That's where we stress the first syllable. This one is content, content. So the stress is on the second syllable. Content, content. Now, this is what I want you to pay attention to. This is really important. Are you there? Oh, okay. The first syllable, content, is actually something that you put things in, that it holds something, like the contents of your pencil box. That's the things that are inside the pencil box. That's the contents. That would be a noun. So right here on the side, I'm going to put noun. Okay? Content is actually a feeling. It's how you're feeling. Are you content? I am content with my life. So that would be an adjective. All right? That's how you feel, content. So if we put the syllable, if we put the stress on the first syllable of a word that is a homograph, then it can change and it makes it kind of a noun. So let's do one more. Let's do one more. It may be a noun, it may not. I don't. We'll have to see. So let's do extract. So we've got extract and extract. So extract, extract. So I think those are both on the same one. Check it just to make sure. So emphasize the first one and then we emphasize the second one. So we do extract. Extract is actually the liquid that we get out of a something, and it's like the flavor, like the extract of almond. They take the flavor out of the almond and into a little juice, and we use that in flavoring different ice creams or flavoring different candies or things. That's extract. That is a noun. To extract something is to pull it out, to get out of something. That's not really a noun. To get something out is, I think it's an adjective. So to extract something means to get it out of something. Okay? So to remove or to take out. That's actually, it's not an adjective, sorry. That one's a verb. That one is a verb. To extract is to get it out, to remove, to take it out. But to extract or to extract it or extract is an ingredient and substance. It's also just a small piece of something, an extract of music or something like that. That'd be just a small piece. Those are nouns. This is interesting, don't you think? I think it's interesting. So what I want you to do is this. I want you to find all the words down here. I want you to write them twice. I want you to find out where the syllable stress is on it. And if you don't understand it, just write them twice. Do the best you can. We'll talk about it in class a little bit. And you can ask any questions you've got while we're doing that. Okay? But I want you to, if you need to look these up. So you might have to get out a dictionary. Hopefully you watch the rest of this video so you know that you have to get a dictionary. Okay? And if you don't know, get in here a little bit early. Use the dictionary in class. All right? Get all these words written out. I want them written out twice. I want you to show me where the syllable is. And I want you to show me where the stress is on the different words. Now, you got to remember, not every one of them has a different stress. Refuse, refuse. So they could be on the same, or they could be on a front and back. And if they do, I want you to find out if are they a noun, verb, adjective, something like that. All right? Any questions you've got? I've already got these 3 words done, so I'm going to put these in my zip top bag. And then I think I'm ready to go. Get these done. If you got questions, put a question mark by the side. That way you can remember to ask the question. All right. Hey, have a good day. See ya.